Alright, so first I gotta clean my keyboard. Alright, now it's all clean. Use the Clorox wipe. Sorry about the birds and stuff. I'm outside. And this is the spray paint I'm gonna be using. Bright Shine Finish. Alright, let's go. Gotta shake it up. Oh, damn! Looking fresh. Alright, now I gotta take this up without touching the gold and messing the board up. Oh. Okay. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna do the side and I'll be back in 1 sec. Alright, I did the side. Looking fresh. I gotta finish the inside. That little spray. I'm not gonna do the back because no one looks at the back, so it doesn't really matter. Wait a minute. Oh, that leaf is looking cool. Look at that leaf. Alright, I think I messed up right there. Yep, I messed up there. Alright. I'm just gonna have to double coat it. Boom. Now, I'll see you again when it's fully finished because I gotta let it dry. So I'll be right back. I finished it and it looks amazing. Sexier than me. And you know that's pretty sexy. Alright. Well, in the next video, I'm going to be doing a sound test with my other keyboard. I don't have a case on it right now. Legit nothing. Spacebar sounds really good though, for some reason. Oh. Alright, well, see ya.